Now, another beautiful thing that I think most people don't do is people use music, but sometimes you guys just use music that you see. All right. Sometimes Instagram can suggest different types of music. Sometimes for some accounts you see Nigerian music, for some other accounts you see foreign music. Good. Now, you can actually save music if you are maybe watching one of those reels that you like. You can save the audio and use the audio in your video. All right. So you're watching a video that you like. All right. The person is using one song that is cool. Let's say a Nigerian song, fantastic Nigerian song. All right. Or a trending top 10 song, top 10 hits, on the music charts, music billboards. All right. That song is fantastic. It's trending. You now pick that song. All right. And you use it. The beauty of that is because it's a trending song, people will probably be listening to that song. So people want to listen to it. All right. So trending songs, when you create a video with a particular song, most times it goes under there's a creation panel for all this, all the reels that have used a particular song. Right. So if it's a trending song, if it's a song that people are searching for, people are listening to, what you would have is your song goes there. Your reel goes there, right, in that saved place. And because people are searching for that song, maybe to save it or to watch it or whatever, right, they get to see your performance, right? You get what I'm saying? Now, look at it. Let me repeat that. A trending song. You use the trending song on your reel, right? That trending song saves your reel, all right? Instagram saves your reel to a like a library, all right, of different songs, all right, a library of different reels attached to that song or that use that song. Do you get what I'm saying? Instagram saves your reel to a library of different reels that use that same song. So people can actually go there, see the song, and go down and watch all the videos appearing there. So it's like a hashtag kind of thing. Right, so when you use hashtag and everybody that use that hashtag appears under that hashtag, it's the same thing. So you use that song, everybody that use that song appears under it. Do you get what I'm saying? So if you use a trending song, the song is already attracting its own audience, it would also help you. All right.